If you're planning to travel, maybe even for business, or even planning to move to a new country where you don't understand the language absolutely perfectly, then I have an awesome solution, and that's these J10 AI translation earbuds, which I got from the seller to show you, which support a whopping 145 languages for real-time translation and also for real-time transcription. They come with a whopping 60 hours of playtime, about 10 hours with one charge on the earbuds, and then about 5 times recharging from the charging cradle. And so this is what we get. Comes even in a nice case. And so we get them here really with this beautiful charging cradle. You can see them here, absolutely amazing. Charging cradle has even this charging indicator here, modern USB-C charge in the back. Of course, you get also the instructions manual, the charging cable, and a set of different size ear tips. But they come already with ear tips included. I guess that's the medium size, and they make an absolutely awesome impression. Watch how flexible they are. And so very easy to put on, just on top of the ear, push it then into the ear canal. Same thing on this side, securing it. And because of the soft rubber ear tips, has also quite some passive noise cancelling. But we also have active noise cancelling regarding the microphone. So like that, we are well prepared also for loud environments. And we can not only see the charge indicator of the cradle, but also when the earbuds are charging left and right. And so to connect, we just take them out. What I also like is that they don't have any plastic over the charging pins. So they came ready to use right from the factory. And pairing with Bluetooth, very easy. I'm here in the Bluetooth setting of my Android phone, searching for a new device. And I have already J10. Can click on pairing. Of course, a good idea to already wear them so you can hear what's going on. By the way, left and right is nicely visible on the earbuds. And so I confirm here for pairing. Says connected. Really nice voice confirmation, not too loud. Yeah, almost impossible to stop here. I've been listening to Linkin Park at the end, and it was absolutely amazing. This sound quality, I mean, the ultra deep bass sound here is absolutely phenomenal. That really blew me away, absolutely incredible. But of course, I don't have to stop here. I can use these multi-function buttons here and here. Of course, they are not touch. You have to push here a little bit inside, but absolutely no problem, not too hard to push. And on top here we have the volume button, volume up, volume down, or fast forward to the next track, back to the previous track. You can also take phone calls, reject phone calls, or invoke the voice assistant directly from these buttons up here. Very easy to feel, a little bit elevated here, super easy to find them here. And the earbuds have a super solid hold. Can't shake them off here. And of course we also have some really nice microphones here built into these earbuds. And I've made a test recording which I'm going to play right now for you.
Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5.
Of course I've also been listening and I had the impression that it's really good. I would say even way above average. Really nice quality. Quite sensitive, really good to understand. But now of course we also want to see how it works for translation. Of course I can't show you all the different functions also regarding transcription, these things, but I just want to show you a basic translation test because I've already tested it and it works really great. It's a super interesting function, and to use it for the translation we need this blue card which we find also inside of the box. And so here we have the QR code which you can scan to find it easily in the Google Play Store or in the Apple App Store. And so after downloading and installing the app, of course we have to connect the Bluetooth earbuds to this app. We have to register with an email, otherwise we can't use all the functions like real-time translation. And it has been working really easy, straightforward, absolutely no problem. But at a certain point it asked me for an authorization code, which is here. This QR code, so you can click on, use this scanning function here from the app using the camera here on this phone. And so just hold it to this QR code here, and then it worked right away at the first attempt. So really straightforward, absolutely no problem, nothing to worry. And so I'm using here the translation function in 2 languages like German to English and back, of course. Very important to choose the language on the right side. There are 2 different icons, one for the phone and one for the earbuds. I hope you can see that, the orange icon for the earbuds, where I have set the language to English. And so I can record using the microphone here. And so after I click here on Speak English, I start talking. Can I have breakfast now?
Darf ich jetzt Frühstück essen?
Okay, that was perfect German translation. But of course, if I don't know German, I couldn't understand. And so I need to capture now the answer from the other person, which can use then the microphone of this phone. So I have to click here as well. Ja, natürlich, absolut kein Problem. Yeah, and the answer was translated to English, and so I could hear it right away after that here on the earbud. Yeah, definitely works really good, just with one phone and one pair of headset. The other person doesn't have to use their own phone or so, doesn't need a second pair of earbuds. Works really good, just pressing a couple of times on the right buttons at the right time, but you can definitely get used to that. Probably 95% or even more was translated absolutely perfect. And so they have been working really nice. The only slightly negative things here may be how strong we have to push here on these buttons. I mean, it's not super strong. I've seen definitely worse than that, and it didn't hurt me in my ears, definitely preventing from accidentally pushing. But I still wished it would be a little bit easier. Buttons on top here, absolutely no problem. But something regarding the charging cradle, what I miss here, there's no button which would allow for easy reset. And so the reset is described here. I hope you can read that, because that's the only possibility as far as I can see here using these instructions to reset. And the translation is a little bit hard to read. I mean, I'm not perfect in English, but I guess it's pretty much same for everybody. Could be pretty hard to understand, and so I tried a couple of times and didn't work. Maybe we have to use this command here when the earbuds are sitting in the charging cradle, pressing 7 times or 8 times, something like that. I couldn't really figure out how to do that. Maybe it's easier for you, and maybe you don't even have to use that. I mean, as long as we are using properly, that's not needed. We can just connect it with a phone, and if you want to use it on another phone, we can release or like unpair it from the phone, and then they are ready to pair on another phone. It's just if you mess it up and forget to release them on the old phone, maybe buy them used and the old owner forgot to release them. Regarding Bluetooth pairing, that's maybe it. So usually no big deal, I would say. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order such a pair of really nice sports earbuds for you if you like. I think they could also be a really nice gift because the quality, like the build quality, quality of the speakers, quality of the microphone, everything is really, really good. Impressed me really a lot. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with these earbuds, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.